Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Class 11th. In today's video, we will do question number 5 of exercise 3.1, chapter 3, trigonometric functions. Question number 5 is, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. हमें यहाँ दो चीज़ें given है. One is diameter is 40 centimeter and length of chord is 20 centimeter. तो हमें क्या निकालना है? Find the length of the minor arc of the circle. Minor arc of the chord. तो हम let us see this is a circle with center O. That this is our circle with center O. If this is the diameter is called the longest chord of the circle which passes through the center. The chord which passes through the center is called the diameter. So this is diameter. Diameter इसकी लेंथ हम यहाँ दिखाएंगे 40 सेंटीमीटर. ये 40 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर की लेंथ d. ये समझो ये डायमीटर है. So O to circle the center, from center to the circle, this line segment is radius. Say this is our radius. If we draw the chord here whose length is 20 centimeter, say this is A, chord AB. इसकी लेंथ जो दी हुई है 20 सेंटीमीटर. ये chord जो है इसकी लेंथ क्या है? 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो radius of the circle. Now we will see here. Let us see. Diameter of the circle, that is equal to 40 centimeter. Right? It is 40 centimeter. Therefore, radius R of the circle will be diameter divided by 2, d by 2, that is 40 divided by 2 centimeter. That is equal to 20 centimeter. So radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. And length of the chord is also 20 centimeter. If we join O and this B, this point B, this becomes also a radius. So this is also 20 centimeter. Now length of chord AB, that is equal to 20 centimeter. तो हमें क्या निकालना है? Length of chord. This chord AB, it divides the circle into two arcs. One is called minor arc and other is called major arc. This arc is called minor arc. This is minor arc. ये minor arc बनती है और ये major arc बनती है. This is major arc. इस साइड की जो आर्क बनती है ये मेजर आर्क बनती है और इस साइड की आर्क जो बनती है माइनर आर्क. तो इसकी हमें लेंथ निकालनी है. लेट लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क बी L सेंटीमीटर. ये हम रखेंगे L. ये माइनर आर्क that is L centimeter. ये हमने ये L हमें निकालना है. This we have to find. Now let us see. Radius, this यहाँ एक ट्रायंगल बन जाती है. OAB ट्रायंगल बन जाती है. Now all the sides of this triangle are equal because radius is 20 centimeter. Length of chord is given, it is also 20 centimeter. And this OB is also 20. This is also radius. OA is equal to OB. They are radii of the circle. So they are same. This is 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. This side is 20 centimeter. ये all sides जो equal है. If all sides are equal, then OAB is an equilateral triangle. So which implies here joining O to B, yeah, joining OB, which implies now here OAB, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. तो equilateral triangle में हर एंगल जो बराबर होता है, तो यहाँ पर जो सेंटर में जो एंगल बनेगा, यहाँ पर जो एंगल थीटा बनेगा, थीटा, it will be 60 degree. It will be 60 degree. It will be 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree. So angle subtended by the arc, minor arc at the center of the circle will be 60 degree because OAB is an equilateral triangle. All the angles of the equilateral triangle are equal. If all angles are equal, then each angle is 60 degree because sum of three angles is 180 degree. So each angle is 60 degree. Therefore, which implies ये जो सेंटर पर जो एंगल subtended by this minor arc at the center is theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Right? तो हमने क्या निकालना है? Length of arc. We know the relation. We know that theta L is equal to, और theta is, this theta is 60 degree, और इसको हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं रेडियंस में, तो that is equal to pi by 3. pi by 3 रेडियंस भी इसको हम लिख सकते हैं. So angle is length of minor arc, which implies length of minor arc. चलो हम ऐसे निकालते हैं. Length of minor arc is equal to L is equal to r theta, because we have told you that theta is equal to L by r. So L is equal to r into theta, which implies L is equal to r into theta. So length of this is r into theta, that is r is 20 centimeter and theta is pi by 3 centimeter में आएगा ये. So it is 20 pi by 3 centimeter, which is length of minor arc. Length of minor arc is, this is the answer of this question. So once again I will repeat this. Diameter of the circle is 40 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. Length of chord AB, length of this chord, say AB is the chord, its length is 20 centimeter. Let length of the minor arc. This is minor arc. Minor arc, ये हम L, ये हमें निकालनी है length of minor arc. Say it is L. Now, if we join O to B or O to A, it will become an equilateral triangle. OAB is an equilateral triangle. So because this side is 20 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter. So OAB is an equilateral triangle. Now each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So यहाँ सेंटर पर जो ये एंगल सबटेंड करेंगे, that is equal to 60 degree, that is equal to pi by 3. Now length of the minor arc L is equal to r into theta. L is r into theta. R is 20, theta is pi by 3. That is 20 into pi by 3, that's 20 pi by 3 centimeter. This is the length of the minor arc. Length of the minor arc. Now question number 6 of this exercise is, If in two circles, arcs of the same length subtend angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Two circles, there are two circles, आर्कस ऑफ द सेम लेंथ, यानी इनके आर्कस जो सेम लेंथ की आर्क हैं सबटेंड करते हैं एंगल 60 डिग्री एंड 75 डिग्री एट द सेंटर. सेंटर पर ये लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क्स इज सेम. In first circle, angle subtended at the center is 60 degree, and in case of second circle, angle subtended at the center is 75 degree. Find the ratio of their radii. तो हमें उनके जो रेडियस हैं उन दो सर्कलों के उनका रेशियो निकालना है, उनका रेशियो निकालना है. So let us take two circles. Let us take two circles. Two circles. The first circle, this is first circle. First circle. First circle. Let its radius be R1. O A. Length of arc. The angle subtended at the center is 60 degree. In case of first circle, तो यहाँ पर जो एंगल है वो 60 डिग्री है. यहाँ पर जो एंगल है थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. दिस इज द आर्क. ये समझो ये लेंथ ऑफ आर्क एल है. और इसी तरह से सेकंड सर्कल, दिस इज सेकंड सर्कल. First, this is first circle and this is second circle. Let its radius be R2. चलो इसका रेडियस हम मानते हैं, इसका R2 है रेडियस. OM. Length of same arc. Arc of same length. This arc, जितना इसकी ये लेंथ ऑफ आर्क यहाँ पर है इतनी यहाँ पर भी है. So same, it will be L. It subtends here angle 75 degree. ये यहाँ पर 75 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है. Length of arc is same, of the same length, and angles are 60 degree and 75 degree respectively. यहाँ पर जो एंगल बनता है थीटा, ये 75 डिग्री है और यहाँ पर 60 डिग्री है. Length of arc is same in both the cases. We have put R1 its radius and R2 radius of the second circle. So what we have to do, length of arc. चलो let us take this first circle. First circle. इस सर्कल में पहले हम देखेंगे length of arc. Length of arc is L. Say it is L, and let radius of first circle, radius of this circle is radius of first circle, that is R1 centimeter, R1 centimeter, and theta is 65 डिग्री. तो 65 डिग्री को अगर हम चेंज करेंगे किस में, रेडियंस में, तो कैसे करते हैं हम चेंज. ये आपने सीखा है पिछले 2-3 सवालों में. 60 डिग्रीज को जब चेंज करेंगे किस में, रेडियंस में, तो हम 60 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पाई बाई 180 डिग्री, राइट. और 0 से 0, 6 1 6 3, इट इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3 रेडियन. सो 60 डिग्री जो बराबर होता है किसके, pi by 3 in radians. So this will be equal to pi by 3 radians. ठीक है. तो angle will be equal to pi by 3 or 60 degree. Now we know that theta is equal to, which implies theta is equal to L by R. L by R. L by R. This is a relation. So theta is here pi by 3 and L is L here और r के बदले क्या हम रखेंगे यहाँ पर r1। तो हमें r1 का रेशियो यहाँ पर हम r1 निकालेंगे। r1 will be, which implies r1 will be equal to 3 into l डिवाइड बाय पाई को यहाँ लाएंगे, r1 को यहाँ लेंगे, तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 3l by pi. Name this equation first. R1 is equal to 3l by pi. Similarly, in case of second circle, length of arc is same, so it is also L centimeter. And radius is equal to R2. यहाँ हमने दो, we have taken two circles of radii R1 and R2, और थीटा इसमें है 75 डिग्री, तो इसको भी हम चेंज करेंगे रेडियंस में। 75 इंटू पाई बाई 180 रेडियंस में हो जाएगा ये चेंज, किसमें? रेडियंस में। तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 5 1s 5 15s 5 3s and 5 6s. Now theta is here 5 pi by 12 radians. Theta is equal to 5 pi by 12. This is theta. Now applying the same relation, theta is equal to L by R. Theta is here 75 डिग्री के बदले हम क्या लिखेंगे? 5 pi डिवाइड बाई 12 इज इक्वल टू L क्या है इसमें? L ही है सेम, और R क्या है? R2, विच इम्प्लाइज R2 विल बी इक्वल टू 12 इंटू L डिवाइड बाई 5 pi. So name this equation first. This is second relation and this is first relation. So dividing this first by second, dividing equation first by equation second, it will be equal R1 divided by R2 will be equal to R1 is 3L divided by pi. इसको जब ये डिवाइड करेंगे हम, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। 5 pi by 12L, तो it will be equal to 3 1s 3 4s, पाई और पाई कैंसल, L और L कैंसल हो जाएगा, तो it will be equal to 5 by 4. So R1 हमें ये निकला यहाँ पर R1 divided by R2 is equal to 5 by 4. So R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. So ये रेशियो निकला between R1 and R2. We have to find the ratio of their radii. ये रेडियस के दरमियान रेडियाई जो इन दोनों सर्कलों के, उनका रेशियो हमें निकालना था। हमें R1 is to R2 निकालना। R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. So ratio between the two radii is equal to 5 is to 4. This is the answer of this question. Today is enough. Rest will be in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.